learn about something not new exactly about the forex trading, because a lot of people have a doubt, in their mind, how that forex trading works and all. So I'll just make it very simple. I will not tell you, like it's going to be like that and all. It's going to be. I'll just make it very simple. Okay. So what are the benefits when you just go with the forex trading and with our Indian market? Because in the morning, that in Indian market it's very volatile. So normally in Indian market, you can just say that the major thing what people trade is USD INR. So okay, so the USD INR. So here what happens is like when you're trading in USD INR, the time limit, okay, the time limit is around like not 24/7. Okay, and in forex trading, there are a lot of pairing. Just taken a two example, because these are the major volatility. You can just say that not volatile exactly, but yes, a lot of the people in internationally also they prefer USD INR. This thing what's that called? Euro USD and this JPB JPY. This is what the trading what a lot of people do. So this is a major one, in Europe, this is a Britain. So JPB JPY. So you can just see that over here. What is that? So it is a British pound / Japanese yen. So these are the major. This one is a major one. JPP JPY. That is a major one what people trade, and then comes our Euro USD. Okay, these are the tradable. You can say that a lot of people trade on that majorly. And the major point is that you can just trade 24/7. So this forex trading, best part is like if the logic is if USD is around $77. Okay, if the USD is on $77, so that doesn't mean that USD will jump directly to maybe around $80 or $90 in a day. So always in forex trading, what happens is like there is a range bond. Okay, the range bond. There is a range bond, and if it's some event comes or something happens, like Fed meeting is coming or something, then only that the up and down will come. Or else it is very it's traded in a high quantity, you can say, and it is not so volatile because it will just go up, come down, just go up, come down. So it makes some range. Okay, it makes some range. So it is not like very volatile that suddenly it can jump anywhere. So first is you have to just find out the range of the market, that because there is some certain timings. The Euro USD when the US market opens, so you not trade at o'clock to 8 o'clock. So like that, some timings are there for that. Okay, so that is the basics on that, how this forex trading is happening. And this is very important for the one who doesn't have time for the Indian market, because from 8 to 8 maybe around, or 8 to 6 the people go for job and also don't have time. In the evening when you just return home around 9 o'clock, you can see, or around 10 o'clock, so after having your food, forex trading, for that I think the best app I will show you right now, it's OctaFX. I think everybody knows that. What is OctaFX? So for in OctaFX, what you can do is you can just type in like forex economic, OctaFX forex economic calendar. So what is the use of that? I will just tell you. OctaFX economic calendar. Okay, so let's just go into this. So this is the first, this one, the forex economic calendar. So this calendar will tell you exactly, what are the events coming up. So right now you can just say that today. So today at 1:30, around 1:30, these are the events. Around 6:30, you can just say that consumer price index. So like that, you can just tell you that what is the impact. You can just see that over here the three dotted lines are there. Here you can just see that the three dotted lines are there. So that means it can impact this. That AUD, that is an Australian dollar. What is we are watching over here? Okay, so this three dotted line just tells you that there might be a big impact in the currencies. What is that called? In the trading. So you should avoid, whenever you see these three dots, you should avoid trading at that time, because at that time you can see the big fluctuation. That is the scenario. So here in OctaFX calendar, you can just understand the logic. If any event is coming, so whether I should enter the trade or I should avoid the trade. Okay, and there are like advanced filters are there over here. So these are the countries over here. The selected countries are given. So if you want to have Indian, so you can just tick mark Indian over here, India over here. Like that, there are the lot of time zones are there. And if you want to see in a week, like what happened previous week. Okay, just press that previous week and just put in filter. Just put the filter, so you can just analyze what happened in the last week and what is the what's coming in. So the events, basically you can say that the events, you can just calculate your events over here, like whether I should enter the trade or not, and the timings will be there. So it's better if you are in trade. Okay, better if you are in some trade. So what you can do is you can just exit the trade and wait for that event to happen. And if it's a positive news, that means that and the best part is like if you just invite your friends to trade, and you can just win a iPhone 13 Pro in this platform, as well as
They are the principal sponsor of Delhi Capital this year, as well as they are awarded a Best Forex Broker for Asia 2021. As well, they have been awarded the Best Forex Broker for India 2021.
And here there's a trading platform is there over here. And best part, about OctaFX is there's our webinars. Okay. So if you're new in trading, okay, if you're new in exactly how to trade and all, these are the traders over here who will just give you the basics on trading, and they'll tell you exactly when to enter, when to exit. Just give a lot of analysis on them. That will be good for you. And basically, yeah, the platform is very good. And the major point is, in the forex trading, the deposit. The major issue is the deposit. How to do the deposit in the market. So here you can just see that there's a payment option over here, and you can just see that there are multiple things. Bitcoin, a lot of things. Instant payment you can do over here. So this is the best trading platform. I can see that where you have the problem platform, that you can just download it from. The link will be provided at the bottom. Yeah, if you just go with my link and open in OctaFX, then you get a bonus on that. There's one more thing that is called copy trade. Just be with that also. Okay. And the basic thing, we have our indicators, how to trade on that. Just see an example, because normally I do trading on. So here it's calculated in pips. Okay, so right now you can just see that 760. So that's 60, at that point, that 760, that is called pip. 30 pip or 40 pip is very good for this thing, in the forex trading, and it makes a range. See right now. So this came, you can just check out, around June in the morning at 11 o'clock, it jumped up from here to here. Maybe there might be some, news or something that the jump has happened. So now see, it is in a range bond. See over here, it is just forming a range over here, right? This is a range, basically. It's a range and it doesn't take any so much of fluctuation. Here you need a practice, okay? Here you need a practice. If it is in a range, so wait for the range breakout, then you can just take a trade. Or else we have our indicators to put. CPR is there, see? It is just taking the support at CPR, so we don't. About the CPR, you know that it is in a positive move. One more thing I just forgot to say. OctaFX provides you a demo account. Okay, it provides you a demo account that is called a virtual account. You can use a virtual account and then you can just trade on that. And if you just feel that whether it's if your habit is good in this forex trading, then yeah, you can go ahead with your normal demo. Maybe INR. You can just start with your account and then see whether you are good or not. Yes, I prefer that just go with the demo account. They provide the demo account and then you can just start up the trading. Okay, that's what you can do. As well as the link of the OctaFX will be provided. The link will be provided in my description. Okay, OctaFX, Android. Okay, it is in Android as well as in iOS. So a lot of people love to trade in mobile phones, so that's the reason. And one more surprise. What is the surprise? That if you go with my link, okay, right now if you just open an account using my link, then if you're just an amount of like 3,000 and 100% bonus. Okay, if you are using my link, you get 100% off, like double, you can say 100%. 1,000 ka you'll get a 6,000. Okay, a scenario. Okay, so just open the account and just see that how it works. And yeah, definitely OctaFX, the major thing is the platform, the buying and selling, because it's a huge quantity. So the exit and entry point is very important. The exit and entry point is very important over here. This is what OctaFX come to the picture, because their platform is very good. That execution of order, not like if you are just pressing the button buy, then it will buy at around some pips and all. It will just perfect. That is a major thing. So that's all for the days, guys. And wait for the next video. There will be something, or I will just teach you on the forex. Okay, that's all, guys. Take care. Bye. See you.